In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export and import best email contacts in Systema.io. To get started, log into your Systema.io account and look at the top navigation menu. From there, go to Contacts, then select Contacts. This is the main area where you can manage the people in your email list and prepare them for importing into your account. Once you are on the Contacts page, move to the top right corner and click the Import Contacts button. This will open the import area where Systema.io gives you a few important guidelines before you upload anything. Take a moment to review the import requirements carefully. The main thing to remember here is that you should only import contacts who have given you explicit permission to receive emails from you. This helps protect your sender reputation and keeps your delivery rates as strong as possible. After that, click Choose File and upload your cleaned CSV file. Make sure your file is organized properly before uploading. A clean file helps reduce errors and makes the next part much easier. If your contact list includes unnecessary columns or messy formatting, it is always better to fix that before the import begins. Once the file is uploaded, Systema.io will ask you to match the columns from your CSV file to the correct data fields in the platform. Use the drop-down menus to connect each column with the right field. For example, if your file has a first name column, match it to the first name field in Systema.io. Do the same for email and any other information you want to bring in. This part is very important because accurate field matching keeps your contact data organized and usable inside your account. Next, go to the Choose Tags section. Here you can select an existing tag or create a new one for this entire batch of imported contacts. Tagging your list is a smart way to stay organized. It makes it easier to track where these contacts came from and helps with future segmentation when you want to send targeted emails to specific groups. When everything looks correct, click the Import button to begin the process. Systema.io is my one correct? Click the Import button to begin the process. IO will then start importing your contacts into your account. That is the complete process for importing email contacts in Systema.io. If you follow these steps carefully and keep your file clean and properly matched, the process should be smooth and easy. That covers everything you need to know.